In both these cases, what we have seen is courts stepping in case of Maharashtra and also in the case of Kolkata. In case of Kolkata, of course, the Supreme Court said, don't politicize the matter. Do you think it's politicization of incidents of crime which is leading to institutions failing?
Yes, very good evening to all, my co-panelists and the viewers. I would just like to say this, that the High Court has additionally stepped in. The government of Maharashtra surely has stepped in. An administrator has been appointed. Yes, there was a delay. There were latches. The entire system failed our girls. I'm not running away from it. And therefore now, we all women, especially politician women who are in public life, should join hands, have a constructive debate. Like in Maharashtra, I'll just like to give an example that sometimes in 2022, there was a rape murder of a 7-year-old girl. The system moved very, very fast. Fast track within 40 days, charge sheet, 6 months, the entire examination chief was finished. And on 22nd, on June 24, there was the strictest penalty given, death by hanging. So within 1.5 years, the strictest punishment was given. So therefore, the political will, political pressure has to be there. And no other person better than we women. You see, in Maharashtra, I've suggested, and I've given a deadline to the government, that in 3 months, something like a crime branch in each police station, independent mini police station in existing police station. The job of that woman and child desk or police station, mini police station, is only to handle women and children. No VIP movement, no bandobast, no theft. Unless and until such structural reforms are made, let me tell you this, nothing is going to change. We'll have this knee-jerk reactions. We'll have these debates where we want death by hanging for everyone, everything to be suspended, everyone to be thrown out. ऐसा नहीं होता है.